This question looks a little bit different. Suppose we have a differentiable function f such that f of 0 is 0 and f prime of 0 is 2. Define a new function, capital F of x, to be f at 3 times f at 4 times f of x. And we need to find f prime of 0. So we see all these functions are composed with each other. One is within the other, and that one's within another even. And we need to find the derivative of the resulting function. And that's exactly what chain rule can do for us. So let's see what f prime of x is going to turn out to be. Well, as usual, we work our way from the outside to the inside. So right now, I see this function f on the outside. So it's going to be f prime of everything inside there multiplied by the derivative of everything that's inside there. And what is that stuff? Well, it's 3 times f at 4 times f of x. And do I have enough brackets there? Yes, I do. So there we go. This part is done. This part still needs to be worked on. So let's take that derivative on the next step. I'll just recopy this. Okay. And what is the derivative of this part? Well, the 3 is just a constant, so it's just going to be pulled out front. And now I'm ignoring this 4 times f of x stuff. So I'm going to write f prime of that stuff multiplied by the derivative of that stuff. There we go. And we need to do one more step. And it's going to be easy because all we have to do now is the derivative of 4 times f of x. But if you allow me, I think I want to just erase that, and we know what the derivative of that is, instead of me having to write it all out again. When you have a number 4 like that, you just pull it out front, and then the prime is just going to be f prime. So it's really just 4 f prime of x. So I can just go like that. And we're done. Maybe I will move this bracket over a little bit to make it look better, but other than that, it's good. And now we need to find what f prime of 1 is, right? Sorry, we need to find what f prime of 0 is. So wherever I see x, I'm going to put a 0 in there. So f prime at 3 times 4 times f of 0 times 3 times f prime of 4 times f of 0 times 4 times f prime of 0. All right. I think I might need another bracket there. Yes. So it's kind of ugly, but now we're in a position to make some progress here. F of 0 is 0. So that's 0. 4 times 0 is 0. So we have another f of 0. So that's 0 again. And 3 times 0 is 0. So really, this is all just f prime of 0. And we'll do that on the next step. What about over here? Well, f of 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. So we have f prime of 0 here as well. And then multiplied by 4 times f prime of 0, which is 2. Well, maybe I'll leave that to the next step. So there we go. And now we just need to remember that f prime of 0 is 2. And fill that in. So this is 2 times 3 times 2 times 4 times 2. And whatever that is our answer. So let's see here. 3 times 2 is 6, 24, 48. So I think that's 96. And that's the answer for this one.